How does Uber Freight work? Whether you're a truck driver or a business that needs shipping, this quick tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know step by step. Uber Freight is a digital freight matching platform, kind of like Uber for trucks. It connects shippers who need to move goods with carriers, truck drivers who have space to haul loads. Instead of calling brokers or negotiating rates, everything happens right inside the Uber Freight app. If you're a carrier or an owner operator, here's how it works. Download the Uber Freight app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up and get verified. You'll need your MC or DOT number and insurance details. Browse loads. Use filters like origin, destination, rate per mile, or pickup date. Book instantly. No need to call a dispatcher. Just tap to accept the load. Deliver the freight. Upload your proof of delivery and you get paid within 7 days, with the option for instant payment for a small fee. For shippers, the process is just as simple. Create an account on the Uber Freight website, enter your shipment details, pickup, drop off, load type, and schedule. Uber Freight matches your load with a vetted and reliable carrier. Track shipments in real time with automatic updates and ETAs. So why use Uber Freight? It has transparent pricing, no hidden fees, real-time tracking for both shippers and carriers, 24/7 support in case anything goes wrong, digital documentation, no more paperwork, and flexible load options to fit small fleets or large carriers. Uber Freight makes shipping easier, faster, and more transparent for everyone involved. Ready to try it out? Download the app or visit freight.uber.com to get started today. And that is how Uber Freight works.